Hey Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. One UI7 rolled out with some exciting and handy features that many users seem to really appreciate. But lately, a lot of you have been commenting on my recent videos about something frustrating: poor battery performance. This issue seems to be hitting devices like the Galaxy S23, S24, and even the S25 Ultra, along with a few others. So I thought I'd make this quick video to talk about what's going on. Now, I'm not a hardcore tech expert, so I won't be diving into deep-level solutions. But I can definitely point out a few things that might help you, or at least make sure Samsung becomes aware of the problem and works on a fix. This issue I'm referring to isn't just about general Galaxy battery life. It specifically started after the upgrade to One UI7, which is based on Android 15. One major reason could be the update itself. The firmware may have some bugs that are causing the battery to drain faster than usual. And if that's the case, only Samsung can fully fix it through another software update. That's why it's super important that we let them know. The good thing is, it's pretty simple to report the problem. Just open the Samsung Members app, tap on Support, then scroll down and tap Send Feedback. From there, hit the icon, and select Error Reports. When it gives you the option, choose Battery, Charging, Power. Now write your issue, something like, battery draining faster after One UI7 update, or mention exactly which update caused the problem. Once you send it, you'll get a message saying that log files are being uploaded. Don't turn off your screen or close the app while that's happening. Let it finish completely. Once submitted, Samsung's tech team will receive the report, and they'll hopefully include a fix in the next update. If you don't report it, they might not even know the problem exists. You can also share your experience in the community section inside the Samsung Members app and see if others are facing similar problems. That way, it helps build more awareness. Now, another reason for battery drain might not even be the software. It could be certain apps running in the background. To check this, head over to Settings, then Battery, and tap on either Since Last Charge or Battery Usage. This will show you which apps have been using the most power. If you notice an app that's using a lot of battery, even if you haven't opened it recently, it's probably running silently in the background. You can choose to uninstall it, archive it, or put it to sleep depending on what works best for you. Sometimes even built-in system apps or third-party apps can drain power without us noticing, so it's worth taking a close look. These are really the two main things you should do if your battery life is taking a hit after updating to One UI7. If it's a firmware bug, we'll have to wait for Samsung to patch it. But if it's a background app issue, you can usually fix that on your own. Now, some people also suggest clearing the cache partition as a way to improve battery life. From what I've seen, doing that can boost overall phone performance by deleting temporary system files, but it doesn't always solve battery issues directly. Still, it might be worth a shot if your phone feels laggy. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you're dealing with this battery drain problem too. Your feedback really helps others realize they're not alone, and it could lead to a quicker fix from Samsung. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.